Bengal cat is a hybrid feline combining a large Asian leopard cat with a small domestic feline. Bengal cats are known for their distinctively patterned fur, which is short, silky, and often sparkles when the light hits it the right way. One of their unique features is that no two cat markings are exactly alike. The Bengal coat comes in two main patterns, spots and two-tone markings called rosettes or marbled, which means the cat has long stripes that swirl around their bodies. Bengal cats are super intelligent, extremely vocal, and very active. They love to climb, so it's best if you have a lot of room for them to roam. They also love to leap onto high surfaces, so staging high beams onto cathedral ceilings may be the best place to find them chilling when you're not around. Bengal cats also love water, so it wouldn't be a surprise to find one following you to the shower or preferring to drink from the tap. So keep in mind that although a Bengal cat can seem like a lot of fun, they do require a lot more maintenance. But if you're up for it, they do make incredible companions.